I am super happy you are watching this video today, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amankwah Kwesi Emmanuel. In this video, I am going to show you how to put all your pictures or related videos together and then have a song at the background. Maybe you are celebrating a birthday, anniversary, any other event that you are up to, and then you want to put a collection of pictures, or you want to put all pictures together, videos together, and then have a song under it. So I'm going to show you a simple way to do that with a free platform. So we are going to use Canva. So the first thing we need to do is that you head to Canva, and then when you go to Canva, right under the search bar, look for the video tab or the video button and click on it. Now when you click on it, Canva will present to you already made template that you can choose from. So we have the landscape video, mobile video. So depending on how you want the video to be, if you are targeting uploading the video on YouTube, you consider the YouTube tab. If you are targeting TikTok, WhatsApp status, then you can rather go in for the mobile view. Okay, so in this case, since most of us will be using the mobile view, or let me go for the mobile video. So let's click on mobile video. So this is the mobile video. You click on it. Okay, so let's go with the TikTok. The TikTok format, since the mobile video couldn't show up. All right, so now we are here. So this is the editing section. Okay, so what we are going to do is that now you have to get your pictures and everything ready. Canva makes it very simple to upload your videos, and then it is saved there forever until you delete them. So we click on the upload button or tab. Okay, so the upload tab is here. So click on the upload. Now you have video, you have audio, videos, images, etc. Okay, so let's say I want to do one for myself. So let me click on upload. So you click on upload here, then select the folder. So let's go to the desktop. I have my folder on my desktop. So go to Tyronnet folder, go to images, and let me select some few images. Let me select this one and this one. So hold on control to select the two. Let me add this one, then finally this one. Then so I'm going to upload these pictures. Good. So they are nicely uploaded. So let me drag. So I have the showing perfectly. Then I click here, add a media or a blank space. Said add a blank space. Then I put this one to inside. When selecting, make sure it fits perfectly. Pick this one also, blank. Fits perfectly. Select another one also, blank. Then can I pick this one? All right, now you are done. Okay, so you can see all my 4 pictures showing here. This one is here, this one is here, this one too is here. The good news is that you can actually use Canva on your mobile device. So you go to Play Store and then you can download Canva and then you start from there. Good. So now let's add the music. So what I'll do is that still go to upload, then we have the image tab, the video tab, then the audio tab. So I'll come to the audio tab. So the same process, click on upload, then select your what do we call it, your audio. So you can download it from either Audio Mac or whatever. So I downloaded this song by King Paluta and Sarkodie. So I'm going to upload this one. So we wait for it to upload nicely. Good. So now you scroll down, then you see here we have add audio. Okay, so click on add audio, then click on upload, then select this one. You see the audio is now showing here, so drag it to this end okay, so that it fits for all the placeholders here. So now let's start from here. Let me close this one, then click on play. All right, so now we've done that, but we need to add some transitions to make the pictures look very nice. Okay, so you click over here, there is this arrow here, okay, that says add transition. Just click on it, then select the transition, then select the duration. I prefer making the duration 1 minute. Sorry, yeah, 1 minute. That's 5 seconds. Okay, so let's do it 10 seconds. So the same thing, put it here, select another one, just scroll down, let's select this and make that one to 10 seconds. Let's come here, just put the arrow down here and then select this one, so make it 10 seconds. So that is that. Now let's take it back and then let's try it again. All right, so that is that. So when you are done, just click on share, come to download, then select video MP4, reduce the quality to 720 pixel, then click on download. So that is that. Your videos will be downloaded and you are good to go. We'll meet again next time. Bye.